listings. Freehold town, 1 year old. Buy this home, we'll buy yours. Wanted to take a look and show you guys what it looks like. Got our gloves here as we're being conscious with COVID and everything that's going on in the world. But life goes on. We have to continue working. As some of you might have seen by my post, we're essential. People got to sell homes, people got to move, so we're doing our best to make it happen. This home here is 1 year old. One family has lived here, but it's time to sell, time for a new family. So as you can see by the neighborhood, this is an up and coming neighborhood. All the homes are brand new. Across the street, they're still even building. Got one over there that's on its way up, looks like a decent home. They're gonna call the Townsend team when they're ready to sell too, because we got them. But come take a look inside. I'm with my gorgeous assistant, Jamie, here today helping me out. So let's take a look. Now this home is vacant, so if you are interested, give me a call and we can make an arrangement. We're not trying to get too many people around looking at the property, obviously, but we're gonna have a 3D tour as well as this one here today, so you guys can get a look. So come on in. As you walk in, you can see beautiful oak stairs with wrought iron rails going aside. This house here is a 3-bedroom, including a full ensuite upstairs, unfinished basement, so when you get it, you can do whatever you like. But it's a nice start home, perfect for people just looking to find something in the market up and coming. You're looking at about 1,400 square feet. And here is all open concept, so we have a new kitchen, stainless steel appliances, opened up to the living room, got a backyard that's humongous. Let me just open it up for you guys. I'm very thankful that it is warm today, and it looks like better days are ahead of us. So in the backyard, you can see this backyard goes all the way back to that fence. It's very, very wide. You can have a nice little game of catch with your kids if you have kids. This is something that won't last long. And the price right, but guess what? You gotta call me, you gotta contact me if you wanna know the price, because I'm not telling you. Let's take a look at the rest of the house though. Laminate flooring. We even got a TV bracket ready for you to put your TV up here with your family. Interior garage access, which is a big thing. A lot of people don't appreciate until you have, but we got that here. Gonna go upstairs. This is one of my favorite features. My wife doesn't agree, but I love having laundry upstairs, because when you have people over and you forgot to put away stuff, you can quickly not have to worry about having the whole house clean, because sometimes, we're not gonna lie, we live like slobs sometimes. So at least this way, if you got dirty clothes, come in, boom, throw it into the washer, you're good to go. So this is the master here. Very spacious for a townhome. We got a walk-in closet. Great size. Somebody that's a visionary can come and put their closet organizer in here. You got tons of space. Master bedroom, as we said, has its own ensuite. So take a look at the ensuite. And like I said, guys, you're gonna love the price on this property. This property is ready to go. Got it clean, set up, nice. This is the main washroom for the other 2 bedrooms. And actually, the other bedrooms are good size too. This is the second largest room. And as you can, it's tough to visualize how big the rooms are because there's no furniture. But I'm a big guy, so spread out. This is a king size bed, and you still have room to play. Right, and then of course, we have our 3rd bedroom. Coming. Our 3rd bedroom is also a decent size. This is a perfect room if you have a very small family. You can use it in an office, if you have a baby, baby's room, or even for a little kid. It's still spacious enough that it can fit everybody. So the last thing we have is the basement. Basement is unfinished, but we're going to take a look because it would not be complete without that. Linen closet over here as well. But everybody knows what the closet looks like, so we're not going to look at that. Like I said, 1 year old. So it still has carry-on warranty. But as you can see, everything is immaculate, so nothing really to worry about. You can come in. Only thing I would say is maybe might want to paint it, get rid of the standard white colors, but other than that, everything's good to go. So here we are in the basement. Basement, as you can see, we got insulation absolutely everywhere. All you need to do is frame it and you're good to go. We also have a humongous window there, which you're not going to see very much into newer homes. They usually will put these little rectangular, I don't even know what to call them. There's foolishness. We even have roughed-in plumbing down here. So this basement, you're looking at maybe $10,000 to finish, and you can make it to whatever you want. So as you can see, this house is ready to go, clean, comfortable. It can make a great investment property as well. If you want to make some extra money, you need to call the Townsend team, 647-360-6433. We can help you make some money. This property was rented, tenant just left, and my client says it's time to move on because she wants to do some bigger and better things. But you know what? That doesn't mean that this is not perfect for you. This property is priced incredible. It's great for an investment. It's great for your own use if you need to. But what you need to do is you need to call Roger. Call Roger.ca or go to See Toronto Area Homes and check it out. This one here is not going to last. It's not on the market yet, but it's going to go on the market soon. Got the photographer coming tomorrow. We just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek before it hits the market because that's what we do. We have properties that are available to only our VIP clients, not available to the public, and we give you first access. So once again, call me 647-360-6433 if you want, or even text me. Text is better because I can't always answer my phone. And if you're interested in getting more information, I'll make sure I get that to you. We're going to our next property very soon, so please hang tight. You're going to see the next one probably in the next hour or so. Take care, guys.